In this video, I am going to explain you how you can convert binary number to a decimal number. So suppose if a number is given like this 0 1 and I want to convert it into the decimal form. So to convert the binary into the decimal, the rule is that we have to multiply. If we have this number, we have to multiply all the numbers with 2 to the power 0, to the power 1, to the power 2. So you can see that the element, the bit that is present at the unit place, we multiply it with 2 power 0. The bit that is placed at 10th place, we multiply it with 2 power 1, and 100 bit it is multiplied with 2 power 2. Okay, and similarly we have to multiply this number after the decimal with 2 power minus 1, 2 power minus 2, and so on, if we have other number also. So once we multiply this, so you can see that if we multiply, we will get 1 into 4, this will be 1 into 2, this will be 0 into 1, this will be point, so 0 into 0.5, 0 into 1 into 0.25. Now multiplying it, we get 4, 2, 0, 0, and this will be 0.25. Now after multiplying it, simply we need to add all these numbers. So if I add all this number, it will be 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 0 is 6, 6 plus the 0.0 it is 6, 6 plus 0.25 it will be equals to 6.25. So simple rule is that if we want to convert the binary number into the decimal, so we just have to multiply each bit of the binary number with 2 raised to the power position, and the position, remember the position of the bits before the decimal, it will start from 0, means this will be 0th position, this will be first position, this will be second position, and the bits after the decimal part, it will be the position for this, it will be -1, position for this, it will be -2, and so on. So once we multiply the numbers, then simply we need to add these numbers and we will get the corresponding decimal number. So if I take one more example, let me take 11011.11. So for this again it is 11011.11. So if I multiply it with, this is 0th position, so 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, and this is 2 power minus 1, this is 2 power minus 2. Now simply I need to add all these numbers. So I will get, for this I will get 1 into 2 power 4, 2 power 4 is 16, so I will get 16, plus this is 2 power 3, so it is 8, so 8, plus 2 power 2 is 4, but multiplying it with 0 I will get 0, plus 2 power 1 it is 2, so I will get 2, plus 2 power 0 is 1, so I will get 1, plus 1 into 2 raised to the power minus 1. Now 2 raised to the power minus 1, it is 1 by 2, means 0.5. So this 0.5 into 1 I will get 0.5. Then this 2 power minus 2, it means that it is, this means 1 by 4 means equals to 0.25. So 1 into 0.25 it will be this. So adding all these numbers I will get, this is 32, adding 32 plus 0 it will be 32, plus 2 it will be 34, plus 1 it will be 35, plus 0.5 plus 0.25 it will be 0.75. So overall I will get the number as 35.75. So this will be the decimal number corresponding to this number. So it is 35.75. So it is the way that we can convert the binary number into the decimal number. So if you have any doubt, you can put it in the chat box, and please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.